New right now on this Saturday morning, out of all 50 states, Florida, second to last when it comes to spending on mental health care. And that is why the David Lawrence Center in Naples is pleading with state lawmakers to put more money towards what they are calling a growing problem. Our Sophie Nielsen-Holding shows us what is at stake.
If I didn't have these people, she'd probably been in a institution by now.
Behind the sweet smile of this little girl is an illness no one can see.
We used to get into really bad arguments.
Althea Florence knew her daughter Alana's hostile behavior had gone way beyond normal temper tantrums.
I would go to a meeting at school and the teachers be all blue-black from a bite or a kick.
It got so bad, deputies were taking the 9-year-old to the David Lawrence Center's Crisis Stabilization Unit.
She's diagnosed with bipolar with aggressive behavior.
1 in every 4 people are affected by some kind of mental illness. That's more than hypertension, diabetes, and cancer combined.
It's exhausting and it's hard to stretch beyond what the safety net has already been.
David Lawrence CEO Scott Burgess says their state funding hasn't even been increased for inflation for a decade and a half. Since 2008, mental illness referrals from the sheriff's office, like Alana's, have skyrocketed nearly 150%. Florida spends $40 per resident per year on mental health. The national average is $120.
Sadly, there are community mental health centers across the country and here in Florida that have closed.
Hoping his organization doesn't follow suit. In Naples, Sophie Nielsen-Holding, NBC2.